I don't need to introduce myself. Yes, I am a mother, a sister, and most importantly, I am a woman. A woman who wants to live his life with wings. I am blessed to have a jolly life with whom I can enjoy anything. I have a jollyful family and they support me the most. I adore myself. My best friend is my mirror, with whom I can spend my whole life, and without it, my life is half apart. Like goofing off with my buddies is what I love the most, and I have that buddy. So that one day we were sitting on a bench and having a nice gala time. But but then suddenly that cray jumped in and what happened? Why did that happen? Was it much needed? I guess no. I stepped into my home, saw within myself and thought, was it right or wrong? But then again, he came in front of my eyes and I saw myself deep in his eyes, in a very bizarre way. I tried to change my path, but I guess there was something else written for my life. Was it wrong whatever she did to save herself? Is self-respect not important for her? Can't she fight for herself? Why she have got the punishment then? Why not him? Why is he still amongst the good smile and she be hiding her face? Yes, maybe it's the witty mind of that 21st century in which we, the youth, are living in, and yet we are not even able to change a thing any inch. But I can proudly say that yeah, I am that beautiful woman with that beautiful smile on my face, cause I know I have a strong heart and a soulful mind. Well, you did as you wished. Now please intimate my folly. You proposed, I turned down. You flipped, and now you have my life tripped. And my life was a blurred skin.